So if you own a business and you are not found on Google, so your clients, prospects, people are looking for the service you provide, and they cannot find you on Google, you do not have a business. Even if you meet a person face to face, and this is something I've learned years ago, face to face, and they like you, they love you, they need your product service, they'll go home and actually Google you. And if they can't find it, it'll discredit what you've done so far. So one thing I learned when building my insurance agency from scratch years ago, we had to do cold calling, which sucked. But you had, it was instrumental to me. You had to get your name out there and reach people who might need your service. But one thing I learned pretty quick was whenever somebody was calling me, it was a lot easier to make that sale and to help people out when they were calling me rather than me calling them, bothering them, people watching their caller ID, which is getting harder and harder to get through because people just plain don't answer the phone unless they know who's calling. So I got to thinking, how can I get to where people are calling me? So I started doing some research and come across this thing called Google Maps. And it surprised me how many business owners do not have this set up. I'm going to show you and just actually 4 simple steps how you can get ranked on Google on people who are searching for you every day. So people are going to like insurance agent in St. Charles, Missouri, or best life insurance agent in St. Peters, Missouri, or handyman, closest handyman near me, or flooring guy, whatever. People are typing that into their Google every day, and they're looking for exactly what you do, and you want them to find you. You want them to find you. So we're gonna go over that real quick here, and so stay tuned, and let's dive right in. And this is stuff that I'm using in my business today. I actually just closed a $12,000 strip mall from somebody who found me on Google Maps, and they were probably just looking commercial building, St. Peter's commercial insurance agent, and they found me. We were able to close the deal pretty easily and help them out, which is that's all we're really do, looking to help people out. So first, you want to go to Google, and you're just going to type in accounts Google. So accounts Google. All right. And then if you don't currently have an account, I already do, but then you're going to go to create a Google account. All right. And then it's going to walk you through here. And then you're going to do one to manage a business. So you click manage business. Right. And then it's got an email address if you want to do that. But more than likely, you probably already have an email. So just either one, custom email address here, or you can just do Gmail address. It'll just create you a free Gmail address. Most people already have one because our phones are all tied to it. And I'm going to show you the end result here real quick. I'm just going to jump ahead here, Joe. So let's say somebody's typing in, doing some research on me here. Bam, this is what you want to pull up. So when people are researching you, or they just put Farmers Insurance Agent St. Peter's, you want this to pull up. Just a nice clean profile. Like I say, you got 5-star reviews. We'll cover that in a second. How to get some reviews on your page, and then you just want to fill all this information out. Right. So you go to Accounts Google. You're going to go through here, create a business. I actually already have this done, but we'll go ahead and click on it, see what it'll let me do here. You'll go through create a Google account, and it's going to walk you through that step there. So you just create your own Google account, and then after you have your account created, then you're just going to do Google. Go back to Google search, business. All right, here it is. Get listed on Google. So that's what you want. You can see my pages there. So you put get listed on Google. And you're going to go through the get started. And here it is. Now from here, you're just simply going to walk through, put your name of your business, a category, and just keep hitting next. And it's going to walk you through step by step, super easy. I don't want to bore you with the details, walk you through all this. And it's going to set your profile up. When it comes to pictures, you want to put either your logo. I recommend just putting a picture of yourself because people are doing research about you. They want to see a physical picture. So put a picture of yourself in there. And then you're going to the little boy's coming in here. And then, from that, you'll fill your thing out. And then once you have it set up, it's going to go through here. You'll get verified with your check mark. Usually takes about 2 or 3 days. And then edit information. You're going to want to fill out as much information as let you. So what are the hours that you work, the services that you provide, anything that has a category, fill it out. The more it's filled out, the more you'll rank on Google. So some people have Google Maps, but some people in your business, but they don't have it all filled out. So they're only going to rank so high. You're going to fill it out, but you're going to have everything filled out, so you're going to rank higher. Some people have that, but they will only have a few reviews. You're going to get as many reviews as you can and surpass them. And then some people have a website, some people don't. You want to make sure you have a good website in there, and in that website you can dig in deeper with keywords and everything like that. But if you just simply create this Google Maps, fill everything out that you possibly can, you can actually create a link here. So let's go to Google Reviews, write this, and just do copy and do like a little short link. And then you can send that to people. Do a short link, and you can send and text that to people because most of them already signed up in Google and leave reviews and build your reviews up. You'll start ranking for those words that you want to get ranked for, and that's how you get your business found. And I hope this helps you out. Feel free to drop in comments below any other obstacles that you have with getting more business, and make sure you like and follow Social Media Masters. We love you guys. Peace.